In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to your creator account on Instagram. So, first, what you want to do is open up Instagram. Once you have opened up Instagram, go to your profile, click on the hamburger menu, click on Settings and Privacy, then scroll to Business Tools and Controls and switch account type. Then you just click on Switch to Creator Account, click on Switch, and basically you have switched to a creator account. And that's it. If this video helped you out, subscribe, like, and leave a comment something like "this helped me out." If it didn't help you out, let me know what was the exact problem and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.